Calmness, in the Stoic tradition, isn't a soft glow or a quiet room. It's a form of power. It is the ability to remain unmoved in a world that constantly tries to pull you off center. To the Stoics, calmness wasn't a personality trait or a natural gift. It was a skill, a discipline, an inner architecture built brick by brick until it becomes an unshakable citadel, standing firm even when everything else is falling apart. What rattles us is never the event itself, a rude comment, a delay, a failed plan. None of these things carry inherent chaos. They are neutral facts in motion. The real chaos begins in our judgments. This is unfair. This shouldn't be happening. I deserve better. The moment we challenge those judgments, the storm starts to break. The mind steadies. Reality becomes clearer. Calmness arises the moment we separate what we control from what we never controlled in the first place. Outcomes, opinions, pace, these are wild horses. We cannot ride them, but our responses, our clarity, our choices, these belong fully to us. That's why peace isn't something to hunt for in the outside world. It's something to cultivate within, in that brief breath between impulse and action. To live calmly is not to hide from adversity. It's to turn adversity into training. The Stoics didn't chase hardship, but they understood its value. Comfort hides our weaknesses, while difficulty exposes them. And in that exposure, we grow. Every setback becomes a forge. Every frustration becomes fuel. Calmness becomes the reward for choosing virtue over impulse, again and again, especially when chaos presses hardest. In the end, the Stoic path to calmness is an invitation to live intentionally. Breathe slower, think clearer, release what doesn't matter, act with purpose. Hold yourself still without becoming stagnant. Calmness is not the end of the journey. It is the way you walk the journey without losing yourself along the way.